All right, where are all of my short-term rental investors at? Okay, I have a great deal for you. So I currently just listed 4 15-bedroom properties in the community of Watersong, which is in Davenport, Florida, 20 minutes from Disney. And so right now I'm talking to all of my California investors that I help find great deals in Orlando. Let's say right now you have a property in California. It's worth 1.2, 1.3. You're using it as a long-term rental and you're making $40 or $50,000 a year on this property. Here's what you need to do. You need to sell that property. I know the market's hot right now. You can sell it very quickly, do a 1031 exchange, and purchase one of these properties. So these are listed between 1.599 and 1.649. The owners are offering a $200,000 credit at closing to furnish this property. They're brand new construction. It's one of the largest floor plans in Central Florida. It's 6,400 square feet, 15 bedrooms, 15 full baths, 2 half baths. They're located on a cul-de-sac with an extended pool and lanai, and similar properties in the area are earning a 10% cap rate with a 62 to 75% occupancy, which is about $225,000 or more in annual gross rents. Now, when you factor in all of your expenses and your full-time, full-service property management company that's going to do an amazing job for you, you're looking at net income of about $45,000 or more per year. So if you'd like any more information on any of these properties, I am Kelly French, your Orlando short-term rental expert. You can contact me at 352-988-4975 or check out my website at kellyfrenchrealestate.com.